Hey guys, so I know I haven't been like recording for like a couple of months now. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I retwist my mini twist. Since I had the last one in, now I'm gonna redo it, and it's coming out kind of good. But yeah, so this is all the new growth, and my hair grew. The reason why I like my mini twist now, I'm at my mini twist era, is because it saves me money, it saves me time. But yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take the rest of your hair and brush it out. The products that I use is Shea Moisture Coconut Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Now, I know people are like, oh, how you get your mini twist like that? Mine don't come out like that. So here's the secret. Okay, now that I'm like refreshing my mini twist and stuff, the main thing that I use is this. I use this. But to like brush it out and like give it some type of moisture, I use this. But you can use water. That illusion that you're looking for, where it doesn't look all like, you know, how should I say? I'm not gonna say nappy. I don't know the word for it, but you know what I mean. But that's how you have to like get it to this type of state, is you have to wet it. I know certain people, they like they straighten it, blow dry it, whatever they do just to get that length. But I mean, even if you do that, it's still gonna shrink. When you tie it down, whatever the case may be, it's still gonna shrink. See me, I like that little curly look at the end. You see what I'm saying? I like that effect. I like that. Go with my lullaby, and I just go through and just, you know, straighten it out and stuff. But yeah, so what I do is I take my leave-in conditioner, spray it a little bit because I want to get that nappiness out. Comb it out. You always want to use a detangler brush. Don't use a comb, it's gonna pull your hair out. And for right now, I don't care about the party because who's gonna look at my hair, right? I take piece by piece, and I this time, well, semi-small, because I thought this was small and it's still not like really small. But this took me about 2 days. The last mini twist that I had, it took about 5 hours. This one is taking me 2 days because I'm taking a lot of breaks, and plus it's a little bit smaller than the last one. So I'm just going in, I'm just twisting. Now once I get to like the front part, I'll add like some braids, stay in place. But yeah, once you do this method, telling you, it's gonna put you in a choke hold. Now, that's it. Then you go with some more. You don't even need a lot. You just need this much product. Run out of breath. Just make sure you put it throughout the whole hair. And then you twist. But yeah, I got some news coming up for the next video. I know I haven't been posting since, it's been what, like an actual video. I'm not talking about reels or anything, like an actual YouTube video. It's been a while. You just let that hang. That's it. Now that's done. So I'll just add it to the rest of it, but this is what I got so far. And shrinkage is annoying. Hold on. Trust me, I know. Like, sis, when I did my hair yesterday, right here, it shrunk. I'm just like, whatever. But I haven't put heat in my hair for like it's about to be a year. Like, yeah, it's about to be a year. That's the only thing. Okay, so now we're gonna go with this side. You see the new growth? And I only had it for a month. So we're gonna go with this right here. And then, boom. Sorry guys, I'm watching Shark Tank. I'm at work right now. I don't really do much, so I'm like, you know what, let me finish my hair, because when I get home, I'll be wanting to go to bed. But yeah, I'm gonna definitely give you guys an update on how's life going, how's school going. Am I gonna come back to YouTube? I know I don't have a large following, people actually care, but hey, it's whatever. So the only thing I hate about this part is I gotta like unravel all of this. All right, so unravel. There's like little knots and stuff from the new growth. See? So like I gotta like go through it. And then I start from the end. Always start from the end. You always want to start from the end and then work your way up, because that's how you pull your hair out. And always use a detangler brush. Like, don't use a comb. You're gonna pull your hair out. I'm gonna get that curl out. What do you call it? Dead hair? I can't even curse. When I did my mini twist, my hair didn't shed as much. Now, when I had my crochet, oh man, listen. I thought I was gonna go bald. My hair shed so much, but that was just from leaving it in too long, because I had my crochet hair in for like damn near half a year, because I wasn't trying to do my hair. Like, I was just leaving that joint in. But yeah, look how long my hair is. Look at that. My hair hasn't been this long since I was like 7 years old. No lie. Now is that okay? No lie. I kid you not. I kid you not. And I cut my hair back in 2018. Oh, I'll probably post a picture in this video. Sis, look at that. Dude, I don't do trims. Even though I know you're supposed to, but I don't trim my hair. I know it's best you should.
Few moments later.
Alright guys, so this is what I have left. Had to start over with some twist, like my edges, like my sides and stuff. I don't have too much of that, as you can see. But yeah, so what we're gonna do now, part the front, This one is really hard to go, but as long as it's neat, I don't care. I really don't care. As long as it's just neat. Alright guys, this is the final look. So now I'm gonna go with my lullaby. Oh. Okay. I love it. Love. But I love it. Love it. Right now I'm using a comb, so don't mind that because unfortunately I didn't bring my edge brush, but it's doing its job. But yeah, this is the finished look, and this is all me, no extensions, all me. All me. Put some more here.